Hello my dear students. So this is our another social study class. Okay. So do you know what we learn today? Today we learn great personalities. Okay. So today what we learn? Today we learn great personalities. So today we learn the lesson great personalities, and in this lesson we learn first we have to learn about Socrates, and next Abraham Lincoln, and number 3 Karl Marx. Number 3 we learn Karl Marx. Next number 4. Number 4 we have to learn Martin Luther King. And number 5, a great personality, Mahatma Gandhi. And number 6 and last we have to learn Mother Teresa. Okay? So children, all of you, now listen very carefully. Lives of great men all remains us. We can make our lives sublime and departing leave behind us footprints on the sands of time. Henry Watson Longfellow. Great men are ordinary men with extraordinary determination. They lead unselfish life and they work for the welfare of others. Some of them even sacrificed their lives for a cause which benefit mankind. And tell us that one should have a noble vision in life. Let us read about a few such great men. Socrates. Socrates was born in Athens about 2400 years ago. So Socrates was born in Athens about 2400 years ago. He was a great philosopher. His whole life was a search for truth. He believed in thinking and reasoning. He found that people of his time were living in a world of ignorance and superstition. He tried to change their attitude by asking questions. He asked them not to follow anything blindly. Some people died on like the way Socrates threw. They threw that Socrates was misguiding them. He was accused for spreading disconnect among the young people of Athens and trying to destroy their faith to gods and traditional beliefs. He was 70 years old at the time of his death. Next, Abraham Lincoln. Abraham Lincoln was born in 1809 and in Kentucky, USA. He belonged to a very poor family. He had a little schooling as he had to work on his father's farm. At the age of 22, he left home and tried various jobs before he qualified as a lawyer. Gradually, he was drawn to politics. Lincoln was elected president for the second time. He wanted people to forget the past and live in peace. He made effort to heal the wound caused by the war. In 1865, he was shot dead by the supporter of southern states. Karl Marx. You read about the Industrial Revolution in chapter 12 of this book, and the owners of the factories became very rich as they earned huge profits by selling their goods. The profits increased their capital. Hence, they are called capitalists. The capitalists did not care for their workers. They were concerned with their own profit only. The workers led a miserable life. Thinkers became upset over this situation, and Karl Marx was one of them. He came up with the idea that destiny of thousands of people should not be in the hands of a few. He thought that the modern factories producing large quantities of goods should not be owned by a few individuals. He wrote the famous book Communist Manifesto along with his friend, a new system of government based on the idea of Karl Marx. Martin Luther King. Martin Luther King was a black American born, and the Martin Luther King was born in 1929 in Atlanta, USA. Okay, and Lincoln had abolished slavery, and yet in many southern states the blacks are badly treated. They are humiliated at every step. Martin resented such practice in the US. He was inspired by Mahatma Gandhi, principle of non-violence, and the blackers starts a peaceful movement to be treated equal to whites, and his movements became very popular, and he received the Nobel Prize in 1964, and he was assessment during a meeting of Memphis when he was not even 40 years old. Mahatma Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi or Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi was born in Porbandar in Gujarat on 2nd October 1869. He studied law in London and became a barrister. He went to South Africa on an assignment. Many Indians also lived there. Indians and blackers lived there and very badly. So Indians and blackers were treated very badly. He was very disturbed to see it, and he fought for their cause for more than 20 years. When Gandhiji came to India, he joined the struggle against the British rule in India. He started many movements against the British, and he was sent to jail many times. He followed the principles of truth and non-violence in world and deed. Finally, the British had to bow, and India became free in the year 1947. So, India became free in the year 1947. Gandhiji wore only khadi clothes and led a very simple life. People called him Bapu. He is called the father of our nation. Mother Teresa. Mother Teresa was a great soul whose heart was full of compassion for the poor and needy people. Mother Teresa was born in Albania. She became a nun at the age of 16. When she was 18 years old, she was sent to a convent in Kolkata. Her convent was near a slum colony called Motijil. She observed that the child of her area are poor, sick and ill. Seeing the misery, poverty in the slum, and she decided to start a separate institution of dedicated workers who would help her to serve humanity. She called the institution the Missionaries of Charity. Okay, hope all of you understood. So bye bye children, and thank you. Thank you my dear students, and bye bye.